It's time to practice N sound.
Jai Shri Shyam friends, welcome back to my channel Kids Free Education. Today I brought an N sound practice worksheet for you, and it's a reading passage. As I told you, reading passage will improve your reading skills, learning skills, and many more things. So you will have fun. So let's start practicing. N vowel sound passage. So this is your passage and these are your questions. Now let's start reading. The B and bed, you have to read with me. I'm making you remember it. Have a and head. The bat have a head. The and head is the not in the and dead. The head is not in the dead. The and head is in the and pen. The head is in the pen. Okay, let's read it again without reading like and bed. The bed have a head. The head is not in the bed. The head is in the pen. We have read it once again. Now we will answer the following questions. Now let's move on the question. You can take help from the book for spelling and the answer you will find in the passage. The men have a dash. What does men have? The men have a head. So the men have a head. Now, head is written here. You can take help from the box for spelling. Good efforts if you know the answer. Now let's move on to the second one. The and head is not in the. Where is the head not founded by the man? The head is not in the dead. So you can take help from here and this is the answer you have found in the passage. So you will write dead here. If you know this answer, good, you are going good. The and head is in the dash. Where is head now? The head is in the bed now. But finally found the head. It is in the bed. So the head is in the bed. Okay, if this answer was correct, very good. You are a good learner. Now let's move on to the second question. So it's true or false. There are some sentences you need to tell are the statements true or false. So let's try one. The and men have a and a pen. The men have a pen. So the men have a head. In the first line it's written hen, but here it's given pen. So it is false. We will put a F as false sign. Second, the and head is in the and dead. So the head is in the dead. The head is not in the dead. So it's written not in the dead. And here it is written in the dead. So it is also false. Third, the hen does not have a pen. The hen is in the pen. So here is written the hen does not have a pen. Is it true or false? You will tell me this question in the comment box. Okay? If you have done these correct, you are a good learner. Good efforts. You are going good with me. Just try your best and you will shine like a star. Thank you. Bye. Please like to subscribe my channel. Bye.